Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a very easy and DIY anti-tanning, anti-cellulite body scrub which you can of course make it at home. So first of all you need coffee for it. Coffee is known to have protective antioxidants which enhances the shine of the skin. It reduces bloating and swelling, naturally exfoliates skin and without any irritation. Coffee is a diuretic. It can temporarily minimize the visibility of cellulite by drawing fluid away from fat cells. It makes your skin appear radiant and brighter by improving blood flow. I have taken ground coffee over here because ground coffee has more caffeine content than instant coffee, but you can of course take instant coffee. I am taking 3 spoons of coffee powder, and to that I am mixing rice flour. Rice flour removes acne and its scars. It also removes skin spots and darkness, resulting in fairer or at least brighter skin. It tightens skin and has anti-aging properties. I am taking equal portions of rice flour and coffee powder, but you can of course just fiddle with the proportions depending upon how much body scrub you want to make. The third ingredient is going to be coconut oil. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, which is rich in antioxidants. It helps the body in absorbing other minerals and nutrients, directly suppresses inflammation and repairs damaged tissues. It prevents fungal infections. It intensely moisturizes the skin, and also a plus point, it offers protection from harmful UV rays. Take as much coconut oil as is needed to make the body scrub malleable so you can just work it on your skin. The last and final ingredient, which is optional, is patchouli essential oil. Patchouli essential oil is known to soothe inflammation. It protects wounds and ulcers from developing infections and becoming septic. It speeds up the healing process of boils, acne, scars, wounds, or anything. So that's why this scrub is very good to be used just after you have shaved your skin, because it will prevent against the ingrown hair, and also it will heal the scars or the wounds and the little nicks and knacks we leave behind after shaving our skin. And last but not the least, patchouli oil eliminates or masks body odor, and we all know body odor is a huge issue for most of us who at least live in India. So that's it. Just mix all those ingredients together. You can store this body scrub in an airtight container for up to a month outside the refrigerator. Don't store it in the refrigerator because there is going to be a temperature fluctuation and all those stuff, and it's ready to go. I hope this body scrub recipe was helpful for you guys, and if you found this to be very useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Till the next time, bye.